Looking for an AI video generator that combines high quality visuals, realistic motion, and advanced creative control? In this video, we are taking a quick look at LTX 2.5 and whether it's actually worth using. Intro. LTX is developed by Lightrix and is built around the LTX family of AI video models. Its latest generation focuses on video quality, speed, audio video generation, and more control over the final result. Video quality. The biggest strength is video quality. LTX can produce detailed scenes with realistic motion, consistent subjects, and improved frame to frame coherence. It also supports high resolution generation, with LTX 2 designed for native 4K output and up to 50 frames per second. Another major advantage is synchronized audio and video. Instead of generating visuals first and adding sound later, the model can generate dialogue, ambience, and motion together. Features. LTX also offers more than simple text to video generation. You can work with text, images, video, and audio as inputs, while features like multi-keyframe conditioning, LORA customization, and camera controls give creators more control over scenes. There's also image to video, video editing, and audio to video generation, making LTX useful for everything from social media clips to more advanced creative projects. Performance. Performance is another area where LTX stands out. The model is designed to be relatively efficient compared with many high-end AI video systems, and LTX emphasizes fast generation and lower compute requirements. LTX2 is also open source, giving developers the option to run and customize the technology themselves on supported hardware. However, the more advanced features can require more powerful hardware, and results can still vary depending on the prompt and scene complexity. Verdict. So is LTX 2.5 worth it? If you want an AI video tool focused on quality, speed, audio-video synchronization, and creative control, LTX is definitely worth considering. It's especially interesting for creators and developers who want more flexibility than a basic text-to-video generator. Overall, LTX is one of the more capable AI video platforms to watch. If you found this review useful and helpful, please consider like, share this video to your friends, subscribe for more quick AI tool reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching and goodbye.